Hello out there, Mama Trip here with an unboxing reveal of sorts. So I finally got my rebag item that I traded the 4 other items for. I'll link the video down below. So what I traded was I traded my OG R.I.P. Balenciaga. My OG Balenciaga city bag in the original hardware in the black color, and a Chanel card holder in this kind of seafoam greenish blue color, and then the multi-pochette accessories, the larger pouch. Yes, I do have a band-aid on my finger. I did have a small mishap in the kitchen. It's nothing major, but I think that maybe people wouldn't appreciate seeing the wound this close up. So I put a band-aid on it. But yes, out of the multi-pochette accessories, I have now sold 3 of the 5 items that it comes with. I've sold the strap, the round coin purse, and now the large pochette. So all I have left are the gold chain strap and the smaller pochette, which is still bigger than the mini pochette. So it still adds something to my collection. And so I've kept that one. And then the 4th item that went in order for me to exchange for this bag was my Keep All Extra Small from the men's collection in the reverse monogram Eclipse. And this is just something that I know, or like in my gut, that I wanted, and I'll do a separate video on the whole exchange process and how much I got for each bag and how much they were selling this one for, and whether, I'm kind of happy with it. So today is just the reveal, and as always, I take things out of the box, but I wait until I'm filming to open it, so I haven't looked at this guy yet. And the main thing is because we have a close family friend who works at UPS, and they said to never, ever, ever bring those boxes inside your house because of kind of what happens to them, or, things that maybe have gotten inside during the transport process. Oh, okay. So this reveal is coming right after the chaos of the anniversary sale. I hope everyone got at least something that they were vying for. I know that not everyone is able to get things because of the stock, depending on kind of where you are in the Nordstrom elite tier status, but there was still a lot of good buys, a lot of good finds. And again, don't lose heart, right? So many of this stuff is going to come back into stock after anniversary sale ends, and if you set up for alerts, a lot of it's going to go on sale just in general, and some of it will go on even more sale than what it was for the anniversary sale. So you just gotta wait a little bit longer, but you may be able to get a better deal. So keep focused if you want an item, and it'll probably get to you and you'll probably be happier for it. Okay, let's get to the main event. So this is actually not as nicely wrapped as my previous rebag items. I have 2 other bags from rebag, and it kind of seemed harder than this. So this one is just the kind of bubble wrap paper, which is standard for them, kind of a single layer of tissue paper, which is usually a lot more substance to it, and then the dust bag already. So but I mean, I'm sure it's fine. So tissue paper, bubble wrap, and then you have the standard rebag dust bag. And the bag, the bag itself is covered or sealed in a plastic bag. All right, you guys ready for this? Here we go. And there it is. And there it is. Open the plastic. Okay, oh, and then there's the authenticity card. So yes, this is the Chanel Business Affinity in the black caviar in the large size. So I have my medium back here, and I'll do another video about why I got the large. And I mean, obviously it's because I love this bag. I love everything about this bag, and my favorite Chanel size is the jumbo, and the fact that this bag exists when I found out made me kind of go for it very hard. And so here it is. It's supposed to be in great condition. Let's just take a quick tour of the bag. Right off the bat, I noticed multiple differences, and I'll go in more in detail in another video, but this handle is very kind of squishy and malleable and soft, whereas this guy is like rock solid in terms of what it is. So this is just, this is just leather, and this is probably some sort of fortified leather. There's probably something in here to keep this shape. And then, of course, there's no feet. Yeah, but oh man, this bottom's in great condition. So it was supposed to be in great condition. So there's excellent, and then there's great is the next one down. And there's very minimal corner wear. Yeah, so you can see a little bit of smoothing there. But otherwise, it's pretty good. Okay, and then there's supposed to be some scratches on the hardware. And yep, there it is. So there's a scratch there. Can't feel it, but I can see it that close up. And then the handle. So that hardware looks pretty good. That hardware looks pretty good. Back pocket. So that looks pretty good. It's not that stretched out. And then, oh, I already felt it back here, but one of the big differences between these older versions and the newer versions is the all leather interior, guys. I mean, I spent roughly the same on the two bags. This one's bigger, and this one is the synthetic cloth lining, but this one's got the gorgeous maroon leather interior. And oh, someone did not take off their protective sticker, but comes with its authenticity card. Okay, so there's not that much indentation on this flap here, and the inside looks pretty clean. No pen marks. Structure's pretty okay. The corners up at the top here are also very nice. These edges. Okay, and then these zippers. Okay, of course the front pocket. This looks pretty good too. Still all leather here as well. Okay. Alright. And then the strap. The strap looks pretty good. Okay. Yep, the strap looks pretty good. And then again, because I felt this is a leather interior back here as well. So it's a completely leather bag. Alright guys, what do you think? Am I nuts for getting pretty much the same bag in two different sizes? And I did think about maybe a different color, but it's a bigger bag and I know I'm going to use it way more if I get the black one. And so I just got the black one. I think that I do want to add the small or like the mini version here, and that one will be like a gray or a blue. But so I'll do a comparison video, and then I'll do a more in-depth video on how I purchased this and how much they gave me for each item and how much I spent. But what is your gut reaction saying, guys? Did I make a good choice? Would you get two of the same bag that you really love, maybe in different sizes but in the exact same color? Yeah, let me know down below. If you made it this far, thanks so much. Do all the YouTube things, like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in the next one.